How to connect Toon Blast with Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to link Toon Blast with your Facebook account. So without further ado, let's get started. So first, make sure that you have Toon Blast app installed in your device. If you haven't installed it, you can simply install it from the Google Play Store. And once you have installed it, simply open the app. Once you open the app, you can simply look for the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen. And after that, a settings menu will pop out. Now, in this menu, you can see the option that says connect and which have Facebook logo in it. So simply tap on it and it will redirect you to the page where you can connect this game with your Facebook. So here you can see the option that says continue as your account. Simply tap on it and the game will automatically link to your Facebook account. And once the connection is successful, your Facebook profile picture will replace your default game avatar. You can also go back to settings and you will now see an option to log out, which means you have successfully linked your Toon Blast account with Facebook. And that's it. That's how you can connect Toon Blast account with Facebook. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.